Hey guys, how's it going? How to track hosting or affiliate earnings. So first of all, you need to log into your account, right? Into your hosting or affiliate account, okay? And then basically what you gotta do next, you gotta navigate to the dashboard, right? And basically, you gotta check the earnings section. Look for earnings or reports section, which displays your total commission, clicks, and conversions. And then use the filter to view specific time frames, campaigns, or details about the individual referrals to analyze your performance better. And export data if needed. If you need to keep records, just some portals allows you to export your earnings data as a CSV or Excel file. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.